You have an older vehicle that has lost most of its value, where the turbocharger operating on that vehicle, if you had to replace it, would cost probably 50 or 60% of the value of your vehicle. Well, today we've got something for you. Hi everybody, welcome back. Here's another great video for you guys. Once again, it's not going to be a very technical one, but there's going to be some juicy bits in it for you guys. Today we're going to talk about older vehicles that have lost their value yet still run extremely expensive turbochargers that would cost 50, sometimes 60, sometimes 80% of the value of the vehicle to replace should they fail. Now, in those specific cases, we've got a range of TurboDirect direct replacement turbochargers for the Garrett range of turbos for your older vehicles. Let's talk about the 1990s, the late 1990s, early 2000s, 320 BM, the 320 diesel BMWs, the 530s, the 730s. Let's talk about the older pickups or buckies as we term them in our country. Let's talk about some of the Nissan X-Trails, Nissan Navara, the VW 1.9 TDIs, the 2-litre TDIs, whether it be in the Golf, the Beetle, the Jetta, etc., etc. Let's talk about the Seat Cupras. Let's talk about various other vehicles where you have a really expensive turbocharger, yet the vehicle is so old that it's lost its value. Another example would be your Ford 2.2 Rangers, the very first ones that came out, not the ones with the Mitsubishi turbo, but the ones that were released with the famous bursting compressor wheel. We've basically got a range of product which is a direct service replacement for those Garrett specific part numbers at a fraction of the price. Did you guys know that a VNT turbocharger, variable nozzle technology, has an assembly built into the turbine housing which consists of a guide ring and nozzles, either 11 or 12 or 13 nozzles depending on the model of the turbocharger. That specific assembly will see a life cycle of approximately 6 million cycles during a normal life cycle or a normal lifetime of about 150 to 180,000 kilometers of use. Now let's just put this into perspective for you. The VNT assembly that operates inside of these turbine housings, depending on the Euro spec model of the engine, will see temperatures of between 550 and up to 850 degrees Celsius. Without lubrication, and it would need to be able to withstand soot buildup, carbon buildup, hydrocarbons that are being, those components are being subjected to on a daily continuous basis under those massive high temperatures. Now that's how technical and that's how robust and that's how exotic the actual materials are that are used inside of the VNT assemblies, from gas nitriding the actual vanes, etc., to make sure that they are under gas loading, don't melt. Remember, some of these vanes, the tips of those vanes are less than 1 millimeter thick. So having said all of this, we are well aware at TurboDirect of all of the operations and the environment that the VNT assembly is subjected to. So when we decided to pull the trigger and bring out a replacement, a direct service replacement for the Garrett turbochargers that operate with these VNT assemblies, we had our work cut out for us. So the testing that has gone that these components have been subjected to has been 5 years in the making. It's taken us 5 years to get to the bottom of understanding how these assemblies work, what sort of temperatures and what sort of environments they work in. How do we get reliability out of it? Yes, there was some reverse engineering that had gone into the process. We have found the right suppliers internationally that come from various countries. This is not a cheap Chinese replacement product that you buy on AliExpress or any of the other online stores where people are advertising for $60 and $80 and $120. These turbochargers have got critical components in which we understand exactly how they work, and we have made sure to purchase from the right suppliers who have got experience supplying OEMs. So that is the range of turbochargers we bring to you today. Some of them are pneumatically controlled, some of them have got rotary electronic actuators on them, and we basically are able to bring you a reliable, tested, proven solution for VNT and non-VNT Garrett specific turbochargers which operate on the passenger vehicles specifically that are very old and cost a lot of money to replace. Our range currently consists of approximately 179 part numbers and growing. We expect to be at between 280 and 320 in the next year to 14 months. So right now what we have to offer you is quite a range, a substantial range for some of the very popular vehicles on our roads today, but at the same time all of the older vehicles where the turbocharger costs too much to replace with a Garrett, a genuine Garrett product. We bring an affordable, reliable, proven, rock solid product to you at a price point that is really, really attractive. One of the aspects that make this product that much more attractive is the highly stringent quality controls that we subject these to. Not only is the state of balance controlled and exceeded in terms of the OEM tolerances, but every single turbocharger is tested, it is flow calibrated. We are using a new range of balancing machines, VSR balancing machines from NIP. It's one of the best balancing machines in the world, the most consistent results, and something that we pride ourselves in by choosing the right OEM suppliers as well as the right equipment suppliers to be able to render a quality product that is market ready, reliable and proven. All rotary electronic actuators are rigorously tested. We've tested them to failure. We've inspected how they fail. We inspected why they fail. We use genuine Johnson Controls motors inside of all of these REAs, as well as the correct material specifications according to the OEM design. All turbochargers are supplied with gaskets. We've got a full range of core assemblies, spare parts, repair facilities, and all of our dealers that purchase repair parts and core assemblies from us will get massive discounts on flow calibration for these turbochargers once they've been assembled. We currently have 4 flow benches and 3 VSR machines on hand at the moment. All of these machines are working full time to make sure that we keep up with the demand. There you have it, guys. That is the passenger vehicle Garrett Direct Service replacement turbochargers from TurboDirect. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. For more information, please post comments down below, contact us via email, or give us a phone call and chat to any of our sales staff. Hope you like this video. Like, subscribe. Catch you guys next time.